Asked me how to make how to do the LED interior on an Acura TL. So now I'm going to show you. This just pops off from the top here with a little flat head, and the bolt just sits in there. Just take it and you slide it in. That's it. Then you put the cover back on. Put the bottoms in first. Clips in the holes, and then push, and it snaps in. Now I'm going to show you the inside. I guess this one's acting up now. This one just, these are the 40 SMD LED boards that I have in here right now. This is what I have wired up. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this one. Okay, there you go. Basically what I did was, these come with universal ports. So basically, the universal port that it comes with, these covers just pop right off. As you see, I just, took it from this end and just popped it right off. It comes off. All right, so the way these work, I'm gonna show you this one since this one is acting fucking stupid. All right. These come with a connector piece where you put where they disconnect and they go from one wire, the red wire. This comes split. So this is going to come separated. And you just stick this piece into this. And it'll come with this piece. This is the piece you'll be connecting. And you just basically slide it up in here. This is where the socket is right here. The inside. You slide it in here, this flat piece. You just slide it in there. Doesn't light up. Flip it around. And put the same piece back in. Still not lighting up. Okay. Should work. This one's always been acting up. And you just take this. Now that it's plugged in, everything's fine. You just take this, and it has 3M tape on the back. And you just take it, push all this in. And you push it right there, let it stick, then you take the cover, no, this is not fair, this is fair. And you just put this part in first, these two, slide them up here. Snaps in, boom. That's it. Do the same thing here. Put the two pieces here. And then you push this, and it snaps right in. Now, I'm gonna show you the back. The back is also the same procedure as the front. See? It's the same as the front. You just let me try to get as far as I can. You can either pry it from the middle down, and it just falls down. It was the same procedure as the front, where you just connect that piece and then just slide it up in top. They all have the same setup in the car. Then you just take this piece, slide it in here, and then you just push it up and snaps in place. That's it. Now I'm going to show you one for the trunk. I don't have the keys on this one. I'm just going to pop it from down here. With the trunk, it's the same setup. But what I did was, here in the trunk, is I put another LED board here in the trunk, but you have to pop out this base here. And I just plugged it in here. That's what it sits in. And I just ran the wire out the side. Put the socket back in. Locked it in place. And then with the LED board with the 3M tape on the bottom, I just pushed it onto the bottom of the lens. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.